Hello traders, welcome back. It is Saturday, it's a day of rest, but then as you rest, don't take your eyes off the chart. So today is Saturday and basically we'll be reviewing our trade idea for yesterday, and then I would want to talk about a couple of things because this week has been a hit for us. We've been getting trades back to back. We've been getting retracements. We've been getting impulse move, and we're getting everything, as if we were the market makers. But then, and this as well has, made lots of people to come to my DM asking me, how do I get this, movement? How do I predict them? How do I know that this is what is going to happen? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about all those things. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel because we put out our trade ideas here every day. So, and these ideas are coming from people who have about 3, 4, 5 years in the experience in the market. So let's get into it. So yesterday, Friday, 26th of July 2024, we're looking at this pair, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, and this pair, trust me, we've been getting it back to back this week. Man, it's been a wonderful week on this pair. We got all the movement down, and then even when the retracement started, we were able to spot it out immediately, and we joined as well. We made money. We've made crazy money from this pair this week alone. Like from Monday to Friday, we've been on it clear. So yeah, so yesterday, let me start from the day chart so that you see. So this pair had been on a downtrend, You can see this massive movement right here. You can see this movement, and then after I think on Thursday I was saying that this pair is looking oversold. So I am beginning to look out for a retracement, and that's what I was looking out for on Thursday, and then Friday we caught it again. So on the 15 minutes time frame, look at it here. So I had said, if you check the video, yesterday Friday video, I had said yes, that should this pair give me a cross here, and then give me a rejection candle here that signals that the bulls are in charge, that I will get on this market. And should I get on this market, I will be looking to take it just to this psychological level. You can go and check the video out. The video is out there. You can go check it out. So I said I will only join in and then take it to this psychological level. Then based on what the market gives us, if the market is able to give us some moves that will encourage us to take it to back to maybe somewhere within this area, it will only be determined based on the movement of the market within yesterday, Friday, and then on Monday. So we take that decision. So you can see we were already in profit. So I joined this trade at this point when I started getting these wicks here. So it crossed here. You can see it here. Let me zoom in so that you can see better. So you can see it crossed here with a bullish candle, although then it gave this hammer here. This hammer made me feel like maybe it's not going to sell. It's not going to sell. Sorry, it's not going to buy. Sorry, that was a slip of tongue. So this hammer here made me feel like, man, it's not going to buy. But then knowing fully well that it is on this zone, and this zone has been somehow stubborn, so I was expecting that, okay, let me see what happens. So now it gave us this candle again, which looks more like a doji, like an indecisive candle rather. Now, so and then eventually it gave this bullish candle again, very healthy, and then this one again. So when it came to retest here, and then it's coincided with this trend line, I said, okay, that was it. So I joined here, then made I think I was risking about 18 pips. It was a 1-to-1 ratio 1 trade. So, and I said it yesterday, you can remember, said it was just going to be a 1-ratio-1 trade. It's not like it's just to join this retracement. That was all. That was the only idea here, because the market was already looking oversold. So it's just this little retracement is what we had to take advantage of, and then it was a profitable one. So Yesterday as well, we talked about Gbpusd. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can always take advantage of whatever we are doing here. We make analysis every day, different pairs that we are considering taking for the day. So if you're a trader, you want to have that privilege, that advantage, you can subscribe, like the video, turn on the bell notification so that anytime we drop a content, you can take advantage of that. So yesterday as well, I was talking about selling this pair. I was talking about selling this pair. And if you can remember, we had talked about, if you look at it on the day chart, we had talked about this chart, this pair retracing. Yeah, we talked about it retracing to come test here, and then from here we'll begin to have a continuation of this bullish trend. You can see this bullish trend here, yeah, and then this zone is quite a very strong one, quite a strong one. Then should it retest here, we're expecting a movement to the upside. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame and see what happened here. So yeah, and then on Thursday we had sold it. Yes, we had sold it from this point, and you can see it came to our targets. It came on Thursday. Yeah, then on Friday we expected to sell it further for a reason. We are expecting to come in down here. But again, we were talking about selling it further, maybe to get to this zone. But then look at what happened. We were expecting a cross and retest of this, line right here. So, and then look at what happened. It was stubborn. It only went up and then touched this psychological level again. So on touching this psychological level, we got something like a double bottom, double bottom. And then this is making me begin to think that this pair might want to start going up without coming necessarily to this zone right here. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying for now. So let's see how it goes. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So Bitcoin, I had always said that I'm bullish on Bitcoin, and yesterday being Friday, I had said I was still bullish on Bitcoin. Yes, I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin. Regardless of all the movements downwards, I am not just, that cannot fool me. And then yesterday I had said that Bitcoin was coming to 68,000. And since it came to 68,000, I said it is safe to sell your asset at this point. Yeah, it's good to sell at this point because now this is weekend, and during the weekend, the movement is normally slow. And now, tomorrow, don't be surprised, tomorrow might begin to give us a bearish candle here. And should it give us a bearish candle, it should literally mean this area of 68,000 being strong and stubborn, and which might begin to cause a bearish movement here. Because once a red candle forms here, the next thing that might happen is going to be a movement that will continue to the downside. And should a movement continue to the downside, trust it might be crossing this area, and should it cross here, it might go further down. So the best thing to do on Bitcoin at the moment is to sell. Yeah, sell and hold on. Should it eventually cross? Yes, we expect it to cross maybe and come, all the way to 70, 71,000. Now, when it comes to 70, 71,000, yes, we are expecting another retracement. So should it retrace and come to this 68,000 again, then this will be our next target of buying. Yeah, we buy from this point and then hope that it comes all the way to maybe 78,000 or 80,000 and then above. But then if Bitcoin crosses 72,000, man, it is going to be, a roller coaster. Yeah, it's going to move massively to maybe 85, 80,000, even if not 90,000. So those are my biases on Bitcoin for now. So thank you for staying to this point. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's go over to what we have today. I titled this video Trend Analysis for Beginners. Yes, because over the week I have been getting questions, people asking me how did I manage to get all the trades on Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. So let me start from Aussie dollar. Now, take these things to heart. Take what I'm going to say now to heart. Now, while looking at the chart, Look at the charts with the mind of understanding what is happening on the chart. Yes. Look at the charts that you want to understand what is happening. Now, when you understand what is happening, it will help you position yourself. Don't look at the chart that, okay, you want to make money, you want to make money. No, that's not how it goes. That's not how it goes. Look at the chart that, okay, I want to understand what is happening here. Look at it dispassionately. Don't, attach any kind of feelings of, money thing to it. No, it doesn't work that way. So look at it, dispassionately. Just look at it and, okay, let me understand what is happening here now. And that is why I was able to get all this trade on this pair back to back, got them back to back, because I wasn't looking at them for the sake of making money alone. Yes, I can have an analysis, but then at the end of the day, I don't take a trade. Yeah, because maybe it didn't, fit into what I want. But I'm understanding what is happening. That is the first thing. Now, I had looked at this pair, formally. Formerly, this pair was on an uptrend. You can see it here. This on the day chart. This on the 1 day chart. Now, you see what happened here, and it gave this movement here that looks like a double top, and then it came and crossed here. Now, on crossing here, it signals a kind of sellers are becoming in charge of this market. Now, it came all the way down again, then made this movement here, and then started moving massively down. Now, this pair already, now I'm seeing that, okay, the bears are fully in charge of this market, regardless of this pair moving all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. I have to be as well, be observing what is happening. I didn't want to, just take my mind off everything and just be looking at the chart. No, I noticed that, okay, since it has crossed this particular, area here, it is normal for it to come retest it. It's just a normal movement of the market. Nobody told me that, but the chart made me understand that, okay, based on experience, this is what is going to happen. It is supposed to come test here before it continues to, and then mere looking at this already, you see that this is looking oversold. You don't need any person to tell you that this is looking oversold. Should it continue this way? Where is it going to? Where is it going to? So that is what made me, okay, when I noticed that, okay, it has crossed this level here, continue moving down, my mind told me that no, there is supposed to be a retracement, and that was just what made me think of the retracement which we got yesterday. It was just as simple as that, right? So then let's move over to maybe Gbpusd. So that was another trade we looked at yesterday, so that you see how to look at this whole thing. Now, Gbpusd is obviously on a bullish trend in a bigger time frame. You can see it obviously on a bullish trend, but then it is also good to understand what is happening. I keep saying this: understand what is happening. Understand what is happening is the first move, is the first step, so that you don't lose your money, so that you can know how to position yourself. Right now, regardless of this pair being on a bullish trend, yeah, as well, I was taking advantage of this bullish trend here. I was taking advantage of it. I continued taking it till, oh God, I was taking this advantage till this point when it started, when the trend changed, right? Now, let me tell you how I was able to know that this trend was going to change for a downtrend. It's not actually a change of trend, so to say, but it was going to retrace a little bit before the movement to the upside continues. So how was I able to get that? Now, let's take a look at on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, let's use the 1 hour time frame. Now, look at that movement to the upside, right? Now, this movement to the upside here. Now, this chart was moving. You can see it. I haven't caught some trade here. You see how it's going? It's moving smoothly. It's moving smoothly from this point. Now, I marked out this zone here for a reason. You see, it is almost close to a psychological level now. And then I lost a trade here. Yes, I lost a trade here. You can see that here. I lost a trade here. I had thought that, okay, the market was going to, react here and then continue to the upside. But then I lost this one. But then it was because of, I was still hoping that the market was going to go up. But then when I noticed that the market, had to come cross here, once it, and then, sorry, even when it crossed this psychological level here, violated my prediction, I knew that the market was ready to sell. It was going to sell for the almost, I think this happened on, okay, that was on Thursday, last week. Yeah, I knew that, okay, this market was going to sell. Yeah, it was very clear to me because the market was already oversold. Sorry, overbought, sorry, overbought. And then I think if you look at this on the day chart as well, you can see that there was a rejection. You can see that there was a rejection as well. Let me look at it. Yeah, you can see, yeah, look at this rejection here. So sometimes the market communicates itself to us. We don't even need any person to tell us do this, do that. No, you see the market communicating itself to you. You see it happening to you. But then what made me still have the hopes of buying it was because of a day before this day here, we had this rejection from this psychological level here. We got this rejection here, we got this rejection here. We got this rejection week here. So this rejection week made me think that, okay, the market was going to continue to the upside. And then we got this bullish candle again. So I was okay that it was going to continue to the upside. So that was the only reason I had to, continue buying. But then I lost there. But then when I noticed that, okay, it was ready for a retracement, because you can remember this was the last point where the rejection happened. Last rejection happened here. But then when the market crossed it with this bearish candle, I knew that the movement downwards was established. Yes, because you remember, yeah, when there was a cross of this, psychological level here, and there was a retest of it, I knew that this market was ready to come all the way down to come test this zone right here. And that is the reason we've been looking forward to, sell. It's as simple as that. Look at the chart with the mind of understanding the chart. That's the number one rule. Look at the chart with the mind of understanding it. And once you understand the chart, you're already 2-3 steps into the whole deal. And then the next thing you have to do is to, know when to get into the market, which you can do on a lower time frame. But then always look at the bigger time frame to know what is happening. You look at the bigger time frame to know what is happening, to know the major movement where this market is going to face. And then from knowing where the market is going to face, you now, come lower to know how to enter to join that movement. So that is it. Thanks for staying to this point, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. And then finally, if you have any question, you want me to talk on anything about trading or about how I look at the chart, how I make my analysis, how I take my trades, anything you want to know, I don't collect money for any kind of subscription. Just let me know in the comment section, express yourself in the comment section. Then trust, I read the comments, I will know how to answer to your complaints, to answer to your confusions, and anything that you think that you're not getting as a new trader. Just express that in the comment section, and then I promise you I will talk about that. Thank you, and do have a great day.